Okay, let's move into the office or remote work environment. In meetings, people always use these short verbs. For instance, when a project fails or stops working.
We say it fell through.
Fall through, like falling through the floor?
Conceptually, yes. If a business deal or a plan falls through, it means it was canceled or failed to happen at the last minute. For example, we were supposed to sign the contract today, but the deal fell through.
That sounds way more natural than saying the contract was canceled.
100%. What about when you want to mention a new topic in a meeting?
I would say I want to open a new topic.
A bit formal. Native speakers say bring up.
I'd like to bring up our Q3 budget, like bringing something upstairs.
Exactly. You are raising the topic to everyone's attention. And if someone interrupts you while you're bringing it up,
they cut in?
Bingo. Cut in or chime in. Chime in is a friendlier way of joining a conversation with a quick comment.
Now let's talk about hanging out with friends. This is where I feel most lost in native conversations.
Because social English is 90% phrasal verbs. Let's take a common scenario.
I ran into them?
Great job. Run into or bump into. It means to meet someone by chance without planning it.
What about when you make plans to meet, but your friend cancels at the last minute?
Oh, that's annoying. We say they bailed on you or flaked out.
They bailed on me? Like dropping out of an airplane?
Yes. Sorry, I had to bail on dinner last night. Something urgent came up.
Hey, Isabel.
Are we still hanging out tonight? I'm so sorry. I have to pass on tonight. Work is crazy.
Pass on means decline or say no?
Exactly. But let's take a rain check.
Rain check? Does that mean it's going to rain?
No. To take a rain check means to postpone a plan to a later date.
What about when someone gets angry or loses their temper?
We have so many. You can say they blew up, freaked out, or snapped.
He completely freaked out when he saw the bill.
Perfect. And if you want someone to calm down, you can tell them to chill out, cool off, or pull yourself together.
Pull yourself together, like assembling furniture?
In a way, it means to regain control of your emotions when you are panicking or upset.
I was so tired after work, I completely zoned out.
And I was so exhausted, I passed out on the couch.
Don't screw up tomorrow's presentation, though.
Don't worry, I'll look over my notes tonight.
Isabel, my mind is blown. Let's do a quick challenge. I'm going to tell you a short story using basic textbook English, and you transform it using native phrasal verbs.
Challenge accepted. Hit me.
I woke up early, canceled my meeting, and met my friend.
I got up early, called off my meeting, and ran into my friend.
I discovered a problem, thought of a solution, and continued working.
I found out about a problem, came up with a solution, and carried on working.
Did you hear the difference? That sounds 100% like a native speaker.
It's all about practice and listening to real conversations. Stop translating every word directly in your head. Learn these in context.
Isabel, my mind is blown. Let's do a quick challenge. I'm going to tell you a short story using basic textbook English, and you transform it using native phrasal verbs.
Challenge accepted. Hit me.
I woke up early, canceled my meeting, and met my friend.
I got up early, called off my meeting, and ran into my friend.
I discovered a problem, thought of a solution, and continued working.
I found out about a problem, came up with a solution, and carried on working.
Did you hear the difference? That sounds 100% like a native speaker.
It's all about practice and listening to real conversations. Stop translating every word directly in your head. Learn these in context.
Before we finish, Isabel, we need to talk about money and shopping. Last week, I went to buy a jacket and the cashier said, "We're marking down these coats today." I had no idea what marking down meant.
To mark down means to reduce the price of an item. It's every shopper's favorite phrasal verb. But watch out, because some store owners might try to rip you off.
Rip off? Like ripping paper?
No, to rip someone off means to overcharge them or cheat them out of money. For example, $10 for a bottle of water? That's a total rip-off.
Ah, I see. And what if you don't have enough cash right now?
You can ask a friend to fork over some cash or tell them you'll pay them back later.
Fork over? Like using a dinner fork?
Exactly. It's an informal way of saying hand over money, especially when you do it reluctantly.
Isabel, can you lend me $20 for lunch?
Sure, as long as you pay me back tomorrow.
Deal. I won't save up all my money for nothing. What about traveling? When I go to the airport or take a taxi, I feel like every sentence contains a phrasal verb. You're totally right. Traveling is packed with them. Let's start at the airport. Before your flight, you have to check in, and when the plane leaves the ground, it takes off.
And when the plane arrives, it lands. But what about when a car comes to collect you?
A friend can pick you up at the arrival terminal or drop you off at your hotel.
What if my hotel room isn't ready?
Then you might have to hold on in the lobby until they set up your room.
Hold on means wait, right?
Yes, hold on or hang tight both mean to wait for a short moment. So if I say, my driver dropped me off, I checked in, and the plane took off on time, does that sound natural? 100%. You sound like you were born speaking English. If you enjoyed this ultimate native English deep dive, smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop a comment below using one of today's phrasal verbs in a sentence, maybe one from our shopping or travel sections. We will reply and check your grammar. Keep practicing, stop translating, and we'll see you around. Bye, everyone.